Welcome back. This is Neco, Junior Neco 2020. We've started solving it from my previous videos. We have done 1 to 10 and then 11 to 20, then now 21 to 30. Number 21. So going by board mass, we are going to do this bracket first, then we'll do the subtraction of the two fractions. All right. As per this first bracket, the LCM is 12, 3 and 4, 12. So 3 goes in here, 4 times 2, that's 8. Plus 4 goes in here, 3 times 1, that's 3. So here is 11 over 12, okay? Then minus the LCM here is 5 and 3 is 15. 5 goes in here, 3 times 1, 3. Plus 3 goes in here, 5 times 2, that's 10. That is 13 over 15. Then we do subtraction of fractions. What is the LCM of 12 and 15? You can quickly do this. 12, 15, you can quickly do this. 2 here, 6, 2 here, you cannot go, you repeat it. You remember in LCM, 2 can still go in 6, so use it. 2 here, 3, 2 here, you cannot go, you repeat it. Then 3 here, 1, 3 in 15, 5. Now 5, 1, 1. So the LCM is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 5, 60. So the LCM is 60. Okay, so LCM is 60. Then 12 into 60 is 5 times. Times 11, 55, minus 15 into 60, it will be 4 times. Times 13, 13 times 4, that's 12, remainder 1, 52. So the balance now is 55 minus 52 will give us 3 over 60, which we can still reduce to the lowest term. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 2 and 0. 3 in 6, 2. In 0, 0. 1 over 20. Option B. In 22, in an examination, 30% of the candidates failed. If 210 candidates passed, how many candidates wrote the examination? Okay, so if 210 wrote it, so we need to find the 30% of the 210 passed, sorry. So that means if 30% failed, 70% passed, okay? Yeah, 100% minus 30%, that's 70. So the remaining percentage is on 70 that failed. So 70% of the students of X, which we don't know, I repeat, 70% passed out of 100%, 30 failed. So 70 will pass. 70% of the X, the total of the student, which we don't know, is equal to 210. So these are the people that passed. So 210 passed. That means 70% of the total of the students passed. So 70% of the total of the students is equal to the 210 that they got, that they gave us here. So that's times, this is times. So 70 times X is 70X over 100, right? Over this 100. Then you equate to 210, then you cross multiply. So 1 times this, that's 70x equals to 210 times 100, that's 2100. If you multiply 210 by 100, that's 210, then just add these 2 zeros to it. Okay? So you divide by 70 over 70. So we are done already. 0 cancel 0. 7 in 21, 3 in 0, 0 in 0, 0. So 300. A piece of cloth of length 3 whole number 1 over 3 meter is cut from a cloth of this. What is the length of the remaining? So this is the total 8 and a half minus 3 1/3. You minus 8 times 2 is 16. No, let me just use shortcut. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 whole number. Then I will do LCM of 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. 2 and 3 is 6. The LCM is 6. 2 into 6 is 3 times 1, 3. 3 into 6 is 2 times 1, 2. So 5 whole number 1 over 6 is the remaining material. Option C. 25 minus square root of 25, which is 5. That's 20. Because the square root of this one will give us 5. So 25 minus 5, that's obviously 20. Angle 91 degree is an example of what? Any angle more than 90. Less than 90 is acute, so it is not this. More than 90, more than 180, but less than 360 is reflex, is not this. Right angle is one that is 90 degree exactly. It's not this. Straight line angle is what? 180. It's not this. So obtuse is more than 90 but less than 180. So the answer is B. All right. 26. To construct angle 30, it is proper to construct angle what? Of course, 60. Because when you bisect 60, you get half of it, which is 30. How many faces does a cylinder have? This has caused a lot of controversial in maths. This is flat face, flat face. This is curved surface, curved surface. This is another flat face. Yeah. So how many faces do we have? So we have two flat faces. That is why this question, it should be how many flat faces do we have? So for flat faces, it's going to be two. But for only one curve, we have one curved surface. So because there are different kind of faces in cylinder. The one that is flat, which is two, and the one that is curved surface is curved surface. So we need to be differentiating it. How many flat faces do we have? Flat faces we have two. Okay. But since it is generalized, you can see faces. So it's not advisable anyway to pick three because this is curved surface. It's not a flat face. So number 28, how many edges does a cube have? Good. Wherever the flat face meets, there will be an edge. An edge will be formed. So these faces, they are not meeting. They are not meeting. It is when two flat faces meet that you get an edge. So they are not meeting. So, okay, sorry, it's not cylinder. I was thinking of cylinder. This is cube, sorry. So it is cube. I'm sorry about that. So it is cube. This is cube. Aha. So in cube, this face is meeting this face, other face here. These are the edges now. 1, 2, 3, 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. That's 8 already. Then here, 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 here. That's 12. So for cube, it is 12 edges. But for cuboid also, it's the same. The same with cuboid. Number 29, find the perimeter of the triangle below. Perimeter means adding all the sides together. That's all. Distance around the shape. So we add them. This is 31, 36. Just add them together. Okay. Just add them. 30. Find the angle marked X in the figure below. This angle is equivalent to this corresponding angle. So once I'm able to get here, I am done with the X. So how do we get here? Sum of angles on the straight line is 180. So the balance here is 105 degrees, which is equivalent to this corresponding 105. So the option is B. So we are done with batch 3. So watch out for the next 10 questions in my next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. So number 31 will be in the next one, 31 to 40 in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.